The Blue Yeti Microphone. Today, we will see the best settings you can do. It removes all the reverb, echo, and other hissing noises from the microphone and makes it sound extremely professional like it's from a studio. So let's begin by downloading the Logitech G Hub software from their website. Do the usual installation stuff, and once it is open and your mic is also plugged into your system, it will show up on the app like this. Just click on it and choose any profile to begin with. It doesn't matter since we'll create a custom preset of that template. Just follow along with me and feel free to pause at any point to match the values as mine. So before you begin, keep the volume knob or the gain knob on your microphone to around 20 to 30% so that the settings work exactly for you. Now keep the software input gain at 60, master output level at 100, the high pass at 100 Hz, the EQ at lowest 150, mid to same, and the high is at 4K. Now moving on to the important segment, we go to the signal cleanup, and this is where you remove all the noise and hissing noise. This is where you remove all the hissing noises, the echoes, and the reverbs. So add a noise reduction of 20 decibels, the gate as minus 37, compressor at minus 28, de-esser at minus 40, depopper at minus 25, and the limiter to 10 dB. Play around with the noise reduction, make sure it doesn't exceed 25 because it will sound very artificial. So keep it around 20 to 15 and depending on the noise of your room. The rest all will sound exactly nice. And you can use the top red button over here to see how your audio transforms when you make each of these changes. So you can click on it and make some testing noises. So let me give you a quick before and after. So this is how the default audio from the Blue Yeti microphone sounds like. It is pretty horrible, I know. So once you enable the custom preset that we just set, the audio should sound much better like you can hear it right now. This takes your default Blue Yeti microphone settings to a next level and it almost sounds like a studio. And if you want to improve it further, you can use noise cleanup softwares that you can find easily on the internet, or better, go for soundproofing your room, which will avoid all the noise and the echoes and reverbs from your audio quality. So that's it for today's video, and hope it was very useful for most of the Blue Yeti microphone owners out there. And see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.